Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams. To know how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Microsoft Teams and you click here in this page. Then you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.